wind turbine to learn about renewable energy.
What these solar panels do, they're about 12 kilowatts. They run the whole hall now.
Solar is a really good type of energy from the sun.
Then, so that's the solar panels. Does anyone know any other way of making electricity from nature? Who hasn't been yet? Go on then. Wind. I'm glad you mentioned wind.
We are very excited to see the wind turbine and go inside to see how it works. Yeah.
We're at Llandeilo Primary School, just down the road. We've been investigating how we can use solar or wind energy to make electricity. So it was just a real life context, come in to visit the turbine and letting the children see the vast size of it really, which they were so excited about.
Look how big it is! It's massive!
Mae'n ffantastig weld y plant dysgu bod ni gallu cael trydan o'r gwynt a o'r haul, ti'n bod. Mae dydd fel hyn yn special iawn achos mae llawer o gwynt, llawer o haul, so ni'n hapus iawn i dangos i'r plant ble mae'r trydan yn dod o heddi.
It's important so then when we're older, the environment won't get worse. Yeah, I think it's really important so then we don't mine out the core of the earth, because then it's just going to be really a horrible environment and I don't want that to happen. So I think it's better using solar panels than burning fossil fuels.
And do you know why we put the turbine on a big pole or tower as we call it?
Because it's up higher.
The higher you go, the windier it gets. What we're trying to say is it's much better if Wales owns its own companies, and then that money would stay within our communities then.
It's really expensive. This turbine itself was for £1.7 million, and it is really big, to be fair. And I think it's probably worth the money because then we get renewable energy, which is better for the planet.
I think renewable energy is important because it saves burning gases, it opens the atmosphere, there's more oxygen rather than carbon dioxide.
The children, even though they were very aware of the wind turbines, when they actually saw the size of it, they were blown away by it. It was a lovely walk out in the countryside and just bringing the purpose of climate change and all of the things that we're learning about in school. It's not just about the wind energy, it's about everything to do with the community, and feeding that back into the school is such an important thing to do.
I did it! We walked up a big hill to get to a wind turbine because wind turbines are better when they're on hills because there's more wind the higher in the sky. You get to take it home.
Bydd e'n grêt gweld rwy ysgol o Sir Gaerfyrddin ni'n croesawu rwy ysgol Saesneg neu Cymraeg, hapus iawn i weld nhw a dangos beth y gwaith ni'n neud fel yn i Sir Gaer.